Have you ever heard of the health benefits of Brewers yeasts? Well, in this video, I will tell you 4 surprising health benefits of this amazing product. Brewers yeasts are a type of yeast created during beer brewing. It is often used in alternative medicine to aid digestion. It's also used to treat several health conditions, including colds, flu, diarrhea, and diabetes. It is made from Saccharomyces, cerevisiae, a one-celled fungus, and it has a bitter taste. It is also used as a nutritional supplement because it's a rich source of chromium, which may help your body maintain normal blood sugar levels, and it's also a source of B vitamins. So let's start with the first benefit of Brewers yeast. Number 1. Diarrhea. Some health experts claim the nutrients in Brewers yeast can help with digestive problems such as diarrhea and colitis, which is inflammation in your colon. Number 2. Irritable bowel syndrome. Brewers yeast may help with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. IBS is a digestive disorder that often causes abdominal pain, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. According to a 2017 review of studies in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, people with IBS who took Brewers yeast were 51% more likely to have at least a 50% reduction in IBS symptoms than a placebo. Number 3. Upper respiratory tract infections. Some people use Brewers yeast to treat the common cold, flu, and other upper respiratory tract infections. It isn't clear how Brewers yeast fights these infections. Some proponents claim Brewers yeast boosts the immune response in a way that helps the body treat itself. A 2012 study from Utah reported that women who took a daily Brewer yeast supplement called Wellmune had 60% fewer upper respiratory tract infections after 12 weeks than women who took a placebo. Number 4. Diabetes. Brewers yeast contains a form of chromium called glucose tolerance factor, or GTC. GTC has been shown to improve insulin response. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells use sugars to create energy. GTC may make it easier for your body to absorb the insulin into your blood. This action may help people with insulin resistance, which can lead to diabetes. To wrap it up, Brewers yeast can provide energy and help maintain healthy skin, hair, eyes, and mouth. It may effectively support the nervous system and enhance the immune system. It's a rich source of chromium, protein, selenium, potassium, iron, zinc, and magnesium. It's also a great source of vitamin B. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. They'll help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video.